standing in the checkout line with my head down, doing math in my mind. Rain went up, hope went missing. Everybody tired of pretending we're fine. Mama says pray, but the bills say hurry. Kids grow fast and the world is blurry. We were promised something better than fear, but fear's the only thing that's loud in here. They sell us flags and call it love, tell us quiet means enough, but my heart knows silence lies, and truth don't whisper when it cries. I'm trying to keep the faith with my hands shaking, trying to love a country, trying to love a country that keeps breaking. I still believe in us somehow, even if I don't know how. I'm trying to keep the faith, trying to keep the faith. I've seen neighbors turn to numbers, heard mercy called a crime, watch children carry questions no child should have to carry in their time. Oh, church bells ring, but the doors feel narrow. Too many crosses, not enough marrow. If God is love, then where'd we stray? When we learn who mattered yesterday. They say, pick a side, raise your fist. Nobody else who we missed. I don't want blood, I want repair. I want a future we can bear. I'm trying to keep the faith with my hands shaking, trying to love a country, trying to love a country that keeps breaking. I still believe in love somehow, even if I don't know how. I'm trying to keep the faith. This isn't weakness, this is grief. This is what love sounds like when it refuses to leave.